Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to fix NETGEAR Nighthawk app not working. So this is an Apple and Android device tutorial, so follow along. So guys, I'm gonna give you three solutions. So the first one is make sure you have the latest version of the app. So go to your Google Play Store, and then from here just search for NETGEAR Nighthawk. Then from here guys, just open the app. And then from here, when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here and just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And guys, the second solution that you have is just go to the settings. And then on the settings, just go to the apps. And then from here, you will see all of the installed application on your device. And all you have to do is just find the application NETGEAR Nighthawk. And then from here, just tap on the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then guys, after that, you should be able to fix the issue on your application. And guys, if that doesn't work, the third solution is reinstalling the app. So first, uninstall the application. And then after you uninstall it on your device, you can just go ahead and go back to the Google Play Store and install it again. And then from there, guys, you should be able to fix your NETGEAR Nighthawk application. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.